Hey everybody. We made a video the other day and it was build it and they will come, I believe. So what we were building is an earth dam. It's going to be about 15 feet high at the center and it's 22 yards long from bank to bank, this bank to that bank over there. And this is a spring-fed creek, and we're going to catch the water off of it, which is going to be about 700 feet, something like that, and it nips in at the end to where it's only 10 feet wide, 12 feet wide, something like that. But this creek doesn't stay wet all year long. It only stays wet from basically September through around December, and then it trickles down to just a little sprinkle at that. But we're hoping that by building this earth dam that we can retain a lot of water and turn around and use that water for our animals and for our market garden also. We can't water with the city water supply for obvious reasons. It doesn't do anything to promote the health of plants or growing anything really. But that's the reason why we're doing this, and hopefully it'll conserve some waters for the animal that's around here too. There's a lot of animals around here. We've had bear in this creek, we've had pigs in this creek, we've had deer, we've had coyote, we've had a little bit of everything. But we're hoping that that'll help with what we want to do, but we're hoping that it'll help with the ecosystem too. So I'm going to get the camera and I'll kind of show you what we've done and where we're getting the dirt from. All this dirt is coming from right here, and we're using the tractor to fill in the mass between. So where we've got this dirt from is this is the bank that is along a trail that we made that came up from where our home is. You can see the roof of our barn right there, and the creek is off to the right in this picture, and it runs behind the barn, and then it comes back out to the field down there. So we've gotten the dirt all along this bank right here. It's almost 200 feet worth of area that we've taken from. The trail originally was about 7-8 feet wide, and you can see right here there are places where it's over 12 feet wide. We've dug up pretty high to about 6 feet of height from the trail surface. This will give you an idea about the earth dam itself. From where I'm standing at to the other side is 22 yards. You've probably noticed we cleared a lot of the trees out right here. There's a lot of blowdowns, there was a lot of dead trees, there was a lot of rotten trees. It was a big mess when we got here. We've harvested a lot of the problem trees for firewood. A lot of the pines, we're going to mill them out into usable lumber of some sort for anything we might need over here. This area up here, it's going to be eventually cleared off. It's mostly all pines. There's some young growth hardwoods up there, but very little. But as you look down through there, that's almost 100% pine trees, and it goes back for a good ways back through there. There's another 6 acres behind all these trees that you see right here. Coming over here, this will be the water retention side, and you can see I've stacked some of the small hardwood trees right there just to help for holding some of the dirt up to keep it from continually washing away. We filled this entire dam in with this tractor, and to give you an idea, I'm finishing up on the side over here as I slide down the bank, and you can see how close the tractor is to the edge of the dam on this side. And so it's a little precarious. I don't want to catch that on video because that would be a bad memory for a lot of people. It's never pleasant to see anybody get hurt, much less see them die, and that's very possible on a machine like this, it's very easy to have an accident, and you have to be very, very careful. But we want to connect that other side to this side over here. We've got a little bit of a trail right here. We used to have a deer feeder, you can see it, to feed the animals right there. And the trail goes back that way a little ways too. But this is basically where our water system is going to be. And I'll explain that as we go, hoping that we get some water in here. But until then, I hope the next time we make a video on this dam, you'll get to see some water in it. Well, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to give you an idea of what we were looking at, what we've been working on. We put a little teaser up there on the video for what we're actually building, and now you have a really good idea of what it's going to look like. It's taken us, today is the 12th day that I've worked on this. I work another full-time job, and so whenever I have time and it's not too wet or too dangerous to come out here and work on this, I've been working on it. So I've been working on it for about 3 weeks, and out of that 3 weeks, it's been 12 days. But we're hoping that there's only a couple of more days of adding dirt to it, and then we'll just let nature take its place. We'll have to repair the bank here to keep the erosion down. We're going to do that by just adding grass and various other plants. We plan on the dam itself, we plan on adding some berry bushes, different types of natural berry bushes to the bank, with different types of greenage to grow on the bank to help actually hold the bank together. But it's not for a selfish reason. It's for, in our mind, the best reason. But that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully it'll give you an idea to do something to help conserve your little part of dirt that you have. But see you next time. Bugs are bad. They're getting worse.